On today's History in a Minute, is the dollar really named after Saint Joachim? Hello everybody, it's Mr. Philip Campbell with Homeschool Connections, History in a Minute. I am your bearded, nerdy history guru. And did you know that the American dollar, our currency, is actually named after Saint Joachim, the grandfather of Jesus? Well, it's true, and it goes back to the year 1518 and the town Joachimsthaler in Bohemia. Joachimsthaler is a city named after Saint Joachim, and there was a silver mine in this town, and they started minting this little coin that they named after the town, Joachimsthaler, and it had little pictures of Saint Joachim on it. Now, Joachimsthaler is a big word, so it was eventually shortened to the thaler. And then when this coin became very popular in Europe, and later in the German, instead of the thaler, it was called the dollar. The German D passed into Dutch and then into English as the dollar, and that is the name that our own currency was given at the founding of our country. So yes, through the English dollar, through the Dutch, the German, back to Bohemia, the thaler, Joachimsthaler, it all goes back to Saint Joachim, the father of the Blessed Virgin Mary. So that's really cool. Our currency is named after a saint. Every time you whip out a dollar, you can say a little prayer to Saint Joachim. So, hey, for more great historical information, please subscribe to this channel, and always remember that history is awesome.